आ जाओ आ जाओ आ जाओ।
अरे आए
अजीत 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 अजीत
एक मिनट या ना मॅडम पुढे या ना अजून एक
जिसका हो गया साइड हो जाओ।
थोड़ा सा
ऊपर से आप फ्रेम में अरे हाँ ठीक है आपने या मैम या प्लीज
लेफ्ट टू राइट नीचे करो पीछे हो जाओ
या मैम या प्लीज
एक स्टेप वो लोग सुनते नहीं पीछे हो यार
पीछे आ जाओ और एक
खाली
पीछे जाइए आप
थोड़ा मैडम आगे। अरे रुको थोड़ा 1 मिनट। मैम यहाँ पे
देखिए
मैं तो बोला
मैम
मैडम
So the next floor आ रहा है।
Thank you. Thank you. Okay.
Yeah. Thanks.
The fire exit is the party by.
राजा लाइट
मैडम इधर
मैम यहाँ
More than the right, please.
मैम ये सेंटर प्लीज
Ma'am, left. Excuse me, left.
मैम यहाँ रुका है।
मैम ये
मैम इधर मैम यहाँ पे मैम यहाँ
Excuse me. Ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.
मैडम यहाँ
थैंक यू
Thank you so much. Thank you.
So, मैम
मैम यहाँ
राजेंद्र बुलाओ।
मैम यहाँ
एक्सक्यूज मी हियर मैम सेंटर हियर अरे पार्टी रे मैडम हियर मैडम हियर
लेफ्ट कॉर्नर यहाँ
ये में उठते हैं
On your right.
जो लेफ्ट कॉर्नर लेफ्ट
एक्सक्यूज मी हियर
एक्सक्यूज मी
मैम हियर
वन मोर मैम
धन्यवाद
Thank you.
मैडम इस तरफ देखिए
मैम वन मोर दिस वे
या मैडम
One minute, madam, please.
मैम यहाँ पर ये मैम आपके राइट में ओके डन
मैम लिटिल बिट टर्न यहाँ वन मोर
चलो
So Anand bhai, next one.
थैंक यू
Thank you.
लास्ट वन यहाँ मैम
Left side. Left side.
या बोथ ऑफ यू यहाँ मोटे जरा साइड वन मोर यहाँ मोटे
एक्सक्यूज मी मैम
ये बस करे दूसरे को आने दो।
थैंक यू
वन मोर यहाँ
एक्सक्यूज मी
राकेश, सांस क्यों ले जाओ? आप आ जाओ ना, आ जाओ। तो मिल जाएगा, आप आ जाओ ना।
लेफ्ट ला सर साहेब समोर हेलो दोनों अरे यार आगे मत बैठ जाओ बाद में लो
And I, Ms. Shifa Gupta, welcome you to the Indian Princess Chamba, CEO of Indian Princess 2000, Ace Fashion Designer, Mumbai, and the Board of Advisory Counselor for Atharva Fashion and Arts. Ms. Aarti Mehra and Mr. Manoj Mehra study by Janak Fashion Designer, Delhi. Ms. Chandni Sharma in the fashion and beauty industry in the country, but also made a global impact. The contest is a unique combination. We have completed our training session in the Blue Ocean and the finale, Chandigarh and so on. I thank you. I thank all the
It's an honor to be a part of this grand mega finale, and our brand is committed to making you all the woman of tomorrow for India, and the vision that Sunil sir has attached with this brand is that obviously it's going to be a great contribution in grooming, in the kind of investments that go with the best trainers in grooming all of y'all to actually refine all of those assets and abilities that you'll already have to make you all the future of the country, because India is heading towards a new generation, a new time where women empowerment is the key subject and the key issue that is being discussed. And we are heading today to Thailand for the grand finale, and I'm so excited and so looking forward to be a part of this whole beauty pageant. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am. Ms. Archana Kochu, ma'am, can I have few words from you, please, too?
A very good evening to everyone here. Today, when I sit here, I reflect on, an evening 2010 when Mr. Rane had come to my shop, and we conceived this whole idea of having a beauty pageant which was unbiased and which would groom Indian beautiful young teenage and girls around 20. And we conceived the whole show, and then we had the first show. And from there to here, I think it's commendable, though the entire event has evolved so much, and I see so much of improvement in it. It's a pleasure to be here with it. I feel kind of connection with this because I was there. We were actually sitting down and saying, okay, we'll do an event like this, and we'll have this many rounds, and this is how we make it different, and this is how it will be unbiased, and this is how the girls will get a chance. And today, when I saw all of y'all at my store trying out the garments, it was so beautiful. It was really nice. Also, I see so much potential in some of the girls who are here. I actually see the future Bollywood faces in some of them here. So today, when they were trying the beautiful khagras and strutting around, I thought, it was a pleasure. And the amount of energy all of you have is commendable. Looking forward to the show to the grand finale in Bangkok. And I must compliment Mr. Rane on the way his vision is so different from the vision of many other events that happen, pageants that happen. He doesn't cut corners. He doesn't get faltered by problems that come up. So I think all of you are so lucky that you all are being taken to an international country, and the finale is not.
Have a pleasant evening. Bye, Vijay.